Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to install a theme in your Shopify store. Here you can go and type Shopify, then open this website shopify.com. After that click here start for free. Now on the left side here you can see this one is Shopify dashboard. Click here online store, then themes. You can install the premium theme. Just you need to go here and click import. Click here visit theme store. So then select this one free, scroll down, now let me try this one. Click here try theme, scroll down, theme is installed, just we need to publish. Click here, then select this one publish button. So that's done. Now here you can see current theme is this one.